All right, hey everyone, welcome back. It's Brian. We got another episode today of Trade Talk Tuesday. What I have for you today is in my opinion, really pretty cool. All right, I'm going to give you my top 5 high COVID beta stocks for 2021. So let's get into that right now. All right, my number 1 high COVID beta play for 2021 is Planet Fitness, ticker symbol PLNT. Talk to anyone right now, and they're going to tell you that they got 12 pandemic pounds that they just want to lose. Once it's safe to go outside and go to gyms again, Planet Fitness is positioned to see a boom in memberships, a boom in engagement in their customers. I think the stock, if you buy it now, is going to have an upside trajectory as we get back to normal. My number 2 high COVID beta stock for 2021, there's actually 2 plays with the same kind of overall theme, and that theme is live entertainment venues. All right, and the 2 picks are Madison Square Garden, MSGE is the ticker, and Live Nation, LYV is the ticker for those. So right now, as you can imagine, live events don't happen. So Madison Square Garden and Live Nation's entertainment, their businesses are basically, ghost towns right now. Well, if that changes and we start going to events again, both of those companies are primed for big upside moves, and the time to buy them is now. All right, we're going to move on to the third theme, which is amusement parks. And this also has 2 picks as well. Picks are Six Flags, SIX, and SeaWorld, SEAS is the ticker symbol there. Same idea, right? When we're vaccinated, when we can go to theme parks again, Six Flags and SeaWorld are both positioned to just kind of get this upside trajectory that has been vacant for the past year or so. So I want to buy them now when everyone's looking the other way and get positioned for when things get back to normal. And Six Flags specifically is soon going to kind of debut the tallest, fastest roller coaster in the world. And that can be a big, almost like a news-driven event that gets people interested. Like, yeah, gosh, it's been a while since we went to Six Flags. Let's go there again. Let's take the family. Both of those plays are great high COVID beta picks for 2021. And finally, I'm going to give you one bonus pick, and that is probably the most obvious of all, Disney. All right, so Disney's a really fascinating story because there was no sports with ESPN at one point, and their entire amusement park, Disney World, Magic Kingdom, no one's going, right? But Disney was brilliant enough to pivot with their Disney Plus digital service, right? So if they've done well during 2020, right, just imagine when the parks open up again, and as things get back to normal, they're going to be in prime position with both their amusement parks and Disney Plus. They're going to be hitting on all cylinders. And there you have it. There's my top 5 high COVID beta stocks for 2021. If you like this episode, then I invite you to join Trade of the Day. Every single day, I'm going to send you my top pick totally free. If you want to join, if you want to get my picks, click this link below. And then, as always, stop hating, start trading. I'm Brian. See you next week. And cue my exit music.